we're back at the Walk World Mart Gurugram at Sector 65. The last time we were here, we showed you where to shop. This time around, the Walk World Mart is buzzing with the best of F&B. And I'm very hungry. So let's go and eat. You arrive at the Walk World Mart Gurugram and it literally transports you away from the hustle and bustle of the mad, fast-paced city life to this calm, serene place with options to shop, eat or just chill by this beautiful waterside. But before we start eating, let's take a walk and grab a coffee real quick. So Starbucks needs no introduction. It's the place where you get your favorite cuppa, some quick bites and of course free Wi-Fi. But what does need introduction is this. Chef Sanjeev Kapoor has actually curated some of the good stuff that goes on the menu. So do come here and check it out. If you're like me who can't decide between coffee or tea, get yourself the matcha espresso fusion. It's got both green tea at the bottom and espresso on the top. The chicken nandwich. Thank you. And for all those Rajni fans or others who love South Indian food, you must make your way to Thalaiva. Vanakkam guys, vango, karungo. As you can tell, I feel right at home over here because I'm a South Indian and I seldom get to eat good South Indian food here in Gurugram. So Thalaiva is just the place that we all needed. It's got a mixed menu and you'll find dishes from Kerala, Andhra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu over here. You'll be welcomed with a kick-ass Tamil playlist and gorgeous looking food. We start with the Curry Paniyaram. This is popularly made in every South Indian household. Over here at Thalaiva, they've served it with 5 accompaniments. What I can tell you for sure is that they've got their flavors bang on. Amazing. And the prawn roast. This one is spicy. It's got a thick layer of masala. It's super crunchy on the outside and soft and mushy on the inside. The pineapple rasam is super tangy. It's delicious and it's great for your health. Next up, we have the vanjaram. Now, this fish is also known as the kingfish. It's a crispy, lovely fish fry that is served with these amazing tapioca chips. The beauty about vanjaram or the kingfish is that it's only got one bone. So if you're one of those who loves to eat fish but gets scared of the bones, then this is the one to go for. And it's time for the king of the meal, the mutton roast with appam. You can tell that it's cooked in very fresh coconut oil and blended with these spices. It's also loaded with pepper. So guys, that was a fantastic meal at Thalaiva. A meal for 2 over here would cost you between 1,000 and 1,200 rupees inclusive of taxes. Now that's a great price for food this good. Papaya calls itself the modern Asian bistro and it serves Pan-Asian food in a fusion form. So everything that you see here is actually changed and twisted just a little bit. This is the jiaozi prawn. Now it looks like a ravioli or a pasta, but it's actually a stuffed dim sum. Next up, the grilled chicken and avocado tacos. How unique are these flavors? This one right here is called the carbon sushi. It's actually a crab sushi and the black color is squid ink. And this really beautiful exotic looking dish is called the corn-fed chicken leg with 1,000 chilies. And to wash down all that wonderful food, I have got here the Thirsty Ride. It's basically fresh watermelon juice with gari, which is Japanese ginger, and some honey for that sweetening. And this is called the Exotica, another one of Papaya's signature mocktails. It's got orange juice, passion fruit and cranberry juice. Interesting, huh? The meal for two over here costs you 2,400 rupees inclusive of all taxes. और अगर आप मेरे जैसे हैं कि मतलब समझ में नहीं आता आपको कहाँ से खाना है and at any given point you want to eat from more than one place, then head to the food capital here at the Walk World Mark, Gurugram. They have about 6 to 7 amazing outlets. You can pick and choose where you want to eat from and sit on a table and eat all you want. Just like I'm going to do right now. Let's go. And the winner for me had to be Haldiram's. I mean, आप food court आए और Haldiram's से ना खाएं इससे कैसे हो सकता है? So I'm going to devour this Raj Kachori all by myself. But for you, there are like so many outlets to choose from. So choose wisely. Look at this sweet little quaint place that I found here. I am at the Binge Bakery and this place is so cute. Let me give you a quick tour. They have a variety of puffs like mushroom, chicken, paneer, this whole range of pastries and desserts. All in all, this is the place you want to come to when you want to take a 5-minute breather from the heavy shopping or a heavy eating ritual. I've got the rainbow cake and a lemon tart. Why did I choose them? Because they were the most colorful of the lot. What a perfectly sweet ending to this lovely day here at the Walk World Mark, Gurugram. And the best part is that it is moderately priced. A typical takeaway from here should cost you anything between 400 to 600 rupees. Alright folks, it's a wrap on this video where we show you what to do in the city. If you like our content, do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned to the good times. Ciao!